Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of an 11-inch fry pan with a non-stick coating, and this is by a company called Basic Essentials. That's why it's got the BE in there. And let's take a look at the pan. I'm going to take the cover off here. It has the information about the use and operation of the pan on the inside cardboard section. Has a limited lifetime warranty, and there's a support number on there for the company that manufacturs it, which is called Tabletops Unlimited. Now this is an 11-inch pan, and the coating is non-stick. You can feel that right here. Has a nice high temperature, up to 350 degrees, put in the oven, siliconized handle. The rivets themselves also have the non-stick coating on there, and the bottom has a nice round beveled series of rings which increases the conductivity. So this could be used in gas stoves and electric stove tops also. Now the non-stick is typical non-stick. This doesn't have anything bad in it. It's one of the newer types of non-stick coatings on there. It almost has like a light blue dots to it. It's kind of interesting looking. Very smooth texture, and we're going to test it upstairs. And one of the things I like to do is like to test it with egg beaters, because that's a very good test, because in most of my pans, all the ceramic ones and older non-stick, that always sticks. Let's see how this pan does for that test. Now here I have the pan, and I start off with the fire at medium, and make sure you match the size of the flame to the pan. You don't want to use like the small one right there for a pan this large. This helps with the heat distribution. Also, I want to mention you should always just use silicone utensils, not to scratch the Teflon surface. Now, one of the ultimate tests is to put liquid egg. So let's see how it does when I put the egg right in the pan. And egg beaters, of course, stick like crazy. So you see that edge right there, how it just curled up, and that edge right there. And anything I drip just comes right off the pan, doesn't even stick. See that curl that you see right there? That's showing that it's not sticking. Of course, you can flip it, do what you need to do. It doesn't stick to the pan at all. So that's a real good sign that the non-stick coating is doing its job. So what's my overall opinion about the Basics Essentials 11-inch fry pan non-stick aluminum with a limited lifetime warranty? I like this pan. This is the second one that I've owned. The other one lasted me about 6 years, and using it just about every other day. That's a long time, so it lasted for a long time. This is a good value, and I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.